Hello everyone, welcome to part 4 series video of Embedded Python. In this video, I am going to explain you how you can interface PIR and whenever the motion is detected, how you can trigger any GPI or LED or buzzer. So let's understand the code first. So in this code, I have again used RPI.GPI library, and here I have used a relay, which is where I connected LED with pin number 38, and then I have connected PIR sensor on pin number 36, which is GPI 16, and again I have set the GPI out direction for this relay and in direction for the PIR. So in this code, this loop is going to run for 20 times. In the 20 times it is going to check the status of the PIR. If it is 1, then the relay state will be high. If it is 0, then it will be 0, and it will print the GPI status as well. So let's run this code. The APIR.py. So you can see as of now status is 0, and I'm going to turn on the PIR sensor, and you can see whenever I'm doing the motion that it is turning on and turn off. Thanks for watching.